everybody, and welcome back to Dive the Planet. Recently on our dive boat, we had one of our customers that had gotten a really inexpensive strobe light for his GoPro, and it actually did really well on the wrecks. So I went on Lazada and ordered a couple of strobe lights for my camera rig. I got one from Andoer, it's I think 1,200 pesos, and I bought a Seafrogs strobe for 2,000 pesos. So they've both arrived. Let's go check out what they've got, and hopefully tomorrow we can go see how they fare on the wrecks. This one's from Andover. Let's see what we got. So we got instructions, the light, and some little parts. The strobe, fairly solid. Charging cable. A couple different mounts. Plastic key to open the battery. We've got the power button here. Looks like we'll have to charge it. Well, that one's charging up. Let's take a look at the Seafrogs. We've got some filters. We've got some mounts. We've got a much heavier light. Our instruction manual. And the charger. The Seafrogs light, it's a lot heavier, feels a lot more robust. Oh yeah, that's on. We've got 2 rechargeable batteries on the inside. But that locks in pretty solid. We got another cable for the charger. Mount, mount, mount. We've got 3 different color filters. With the Seafrogs light, the on and off button is just here on the side. Turn it on, then there's a halfway, and then there's a party disco setting, and off. And the different filters, they just slide in like that. Nice and easy. With the Andoer light, you've got the little button here, long press to turn it on. You've got a battery level indicator, and then every time you keep pressing this little button, it'll cycle through all the different colors that it has. Back to white. And it's got this nice little turn wheel, and you can use that to dim the light if it's too strong. When you feel these two, the Seafrogs is definitely heavier. It seems to be made of a thicker, probably stronger plastic. The lights are attached to my camera rig. Now it's time to go wreck diving.